Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be a little bit of a different unboxing and it's for Father's Day, and it's a Look Fantastic Father's Day Collection beauty box. So this box is available on their website now. All links related to this box I will link down below. So underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that, that will bring up the description and everything will be listed down there. So this box contains 6 premium body and skincare products. It costs £44 for Look Fantastic monthly subscription box subscribers, or it costs £49 for non-subscribers, and it's worth £136. So if you're not already subscribed and you fancy having this deal for £5 cheaper, and you fancy taking out a subscription, then you need to add the code Father's Day BB at checkout when you sign up for your subscription, and you add this box, and then that entitles you then to have the box for a cheaper price. Or if you're already subscribed, make sure to add that code so that it would automatically take the £5 off. So Look Fantastic is a massive online skincare, hair care, makeup, beauty site. It contains everything and anything to do with beauty. It ships worldwide, and within the UK, at least I know, you can have the option for next day delivery. Father's Day in the UK is Sunday the 16th of June, so it's about a week away from now. Very, very heavy. It is heavy, so let's open it up and show you what we got inside. Wherever you are, show your father you care with the ultimate grooming experience, containing 6 styling essentials for everyday man. So yeah, and it's got all the details about the products then, so I'll be referring to that as we go along. Super smart, super smart, isn't it? So obviously I've never tried any of these products, so I can't give you my personal experience. I'll go through one and I'll refer to the cards. The first item is by Murdock London, and this is Quince and Oakmoss shampoo, and it's 250ml. That's what it looks like there, in like a navy bottle. This sulfate-free formula performs a gentle yet effective cleanse without drying out the scalp. Cleansing dirt and impurities, this daily use shampoo creates a healthy scalp environment to promote hair health. Gotta have a smell. I'd be giving this to my husband. He's a father. I don't think my dad likes a shower, but is very, very basic. He'll use anything, you know. He's not that fussed. My husband does like having nice body care and hair care items, so oh god, I always do it. I put it too close to my nose. That smells really nice. Yeah, so I'm going to be giving this to him. He doesn't know anything about it yet, and he doesn't watch my videos, so that's fine. So that's the first item. Next you've got a Molton brown product, and this is Tobacco Absolute Bath and Shower Gel. And what size are we? And this is a 300ml. So it looks like this, or a massive bottle. Oh, that is nice actually. I used to smoke. I don't smoke anymore. I haven't smoked for many, many years, but I was thinking when I read that tobacco, but no, it's nice. Warm your senses with this aromatic, vibrant shower gel infused with grapefruit and Peruvian balsam. This woody fragrance bath and shower gel is the ultimate exploration of masculine seasoned depth. So there's that item there. Oop. Next we got an eye gel by Refinery, and it says hydrating refreshing gel power packed with botanical extracts, and it's 15ml. That's the outer packaging. It's got a little leaflet inside, and that's what it looks like there. A cooling gel that helps to reduce dark circles, fine lines and puffiness. Formulated with rosehip oil and hyaluronic acid, the Refinery Eye Gel boosts the under eye area, nourishing the delicate skin surrounding the eye. So there's that one. Then we got a night cream by E-Cooking, and it says for the face, and it's Botox peptide, helps visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkle depth. And we got 50ml there. Designed to boost collagen production, this moisturising night cream contains peptides to keep the complexion looking youthful and radiant. With pure ingredients, the skin saviour is a daily essential. So there's that. Next we've got a shave cream, and this is by Menu, and it says ultra concentrate up to 165 shaves and 100ml. That's what it looks like there. It's achieve a smooth shave with this innovative formula that protects skin from razor burn and nicks. Enriched with tea tree oil, the cream creates a protective barrier, ensuring a closer shave. So there's that one. And lastly, we've got an Elemis product, and this is a deep cleanse facial wash. Purifying daily wash, and for all skin types, oak bark, spearmint, milk protein, cleanses, refreshes and revives for men, 150ml. I'm gonna have to smell this. Oh, that smells so nice. smells so fresh. Oh, right, what's to say here then? This deep cleansing facial wash removes skin impurities and dirt, effectively cleaning the skin whilst simultaneously shielding the skin from environmental factors. So those are all the items. So I'll just go through them one by one. We've got a Murdock, Quince and Oakmoss shampoo. We got a Tobacco Absolute by Molton Brown. It's a shower gel and bath gel. We got a eye gel by Refinery. Got a night cream by E-Cooking. Got a shave cream by Menu. And finally we got a cleansing wash by Elemis. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for doing an unboxing video on my channel or doing a post on Instagram. So I normally say it right at the start, so apologies for that. So thank you to Look Fantastic for sending it to me. I'm sure my husband's going to love it, so thank you. But yeah, so those are all the products. Please let me know what you think. Do you think it's a really lovely box? Do you think it's a really nice idea? And do you think it's good value for money? This box is £49 for non-subscribers, £44 for subscribers, and the value is £136. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.